Sanctuary efforts to protect Portland's marine resources continue as game wardens intensify patrols within the East Portland Fish Sanctuary. During one such patrol, CVM News witnessed illegal fishing activity firsthand. Our reporter Kevin Black has the latest.
In this CVM News follow-up, we revisited the East Portland Fish Sanctuary, where we went patrolling with the wardens to substantiate claims of illegal fishing within the sanctuary.
How frequent we would patrol would determine how many incidents we come in contact with. We try to keep it as staggered and unpredictable as possible, but we try to do at least 3 patrols per day, 1 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, or 1 during the midday and 1 in the late evening. The sanctuary's main function is to rehabilitate the fish population or make it grow, basically. So it's a nursery, so small fish breed up in here, and then over time the population will be bigger.
During our patrol with the game wardens, several men were seen illegally fishing within the sanctuary, quickly retreating as our boats approached. Game warden Kimani Burke explained the impact overfishing could have on Portland's already vulnerable marine life.
Alright, so depleting our fish stock is one of the biggest issues that we've been having. One of the main fish that they target is the parrotfish, and the parrotfish have a symbiotic relationship with our coral reefs because they keep it clean, and we all know that our coral reefs are the first or primary defense against the elements. So if you take away the parrotfish, then you're taking away the reef.
Meanwhile, the Chief Operations Officer of the Alligator Head Foundation, Michelle Donegan, addressed recent complaints from some fisherfolk who claim the sanctuary's borders are too wide.
For the sanctuary to be effective, there are certain elements that must be included. So we have to have mangroves, we have to have seagrass, and we have to have reefs. So the sanctuary boundaries were established to ensure that we had all of those ecosystems present. That aids in faster recovery, and it ensures that the benefits that should be derived from a sanctuary will be realized within a relatively reasonable time frame.
The wardens at the Alligator Head Foundation are working tirelessly to ensure that law and order is maintained within the sanctuary borders. Kevin Black reporting for CVM News.